Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Thanks for stopping by. In today's video we're going to be making coconut oil. I have my coconuts here, but first, before that, we're going to be making coconut milk. From coconut milk we'll now make the coconut oil. So I have some coconuts here. I'll be using 6 coconuts for this. Yes, so I'll go ahead now to break the coconut. Yeah, there is water in it, so I'll take out the water and then break the coconut. I may not be showing you that, but do it any how you want, because I have a stone I'm going to use to break this. So see you after breaking the coconuts. We are done breaking the coconut, and I've also removed it from the shell. And I've also gone ahead to wash them properly. They are all well washed now. So the next we're going to do is to cut the coconuts. I'm going to be cutting the coconut into tiny bits to help the blender. This will help the blender, so that if I leave it like this, because I'm using my okay. So I'm done chopping or cutting the coconut into smaller pieces. The next we're going to do now is to add into our blender and blend with some water. Let's continue. I don't want to put it too much, so I'm going to be blending it batch by batch. I still have this one here. Then add some water. I'll add water to cover it, so you have to be careful of your blender. Then so this is our coconut milk, and this is the chaff I got from it. I'm not going to discard this. I'm going to dry this and use it as coconut powder or coconut flour. Use it as coconut flour. You can add this into your bakings or even your swallow. So if we are making coconut milk, if we were adding it in coconut milk, I'll just bottle this and keep in the refrigerator or freezer, depending on how long you want it to last. But now today we are not making just coconut milk, we are aiming at coconut oil. Don't lose focus. We are making coconut oil. So what I'll do next is to cover this and keep in my refrigerator. I'm going to put this in my refrigerator and leave it for some hours. You can leave it for 24 hours. You can leave it for about 12 hours also. So I just want the cream to separate from the water. That's the essence of leaving it in the refrigerator. You can also keep it in your counter till the next day for 24 hours. The cream or milk alone is going to separate and the water will be down. So that's what we're aiming at. So see you after some hours. You can see that the water has separated. This after some hours, after about 12 hours. In fact, I left it overnight. It should be like 15 hours. It should be like 15 hours. So you can see the water here and the cream here. I've taken out the much I can. I'll leave the remaining one there. I can use that remaining one as my coconut milk because there is no light for me to put it in the freezer. If you put it in the freezer, it's going to thicken it, separate it, make it block that you can easily take it out. But I live in Nigeria where there is no steady light. So I plan to put it in the freezer, but our electricity said otherwise. So I'm taking it out like that. I'll leave the remaining here, let it stay as milk. But if I put it in the freezer, I can see thicken later. So I'll go and cook this one. So I'm taking this now to my gas to cook. I'm just going to allow it to boil until we start seeing oil. But you have to watch it so that it doesn't boil over. When you turn it, that's when it splashes more. I'll cover the pot because of the splashing. I don't want it to splash all over. You see it, how it's doing. I don't even want to turn it. If I turn it, it will start splashing again. Once you turn it, it's sticking to the ground, but once it's sticking to the ground, you can see our oil is forming on top. You see, it's splashing like that because there is still much water in it. When the water reduces, it will not splash much again. I'll still cover it and let it still keep cooking. But maybe, let's see, check it again in 3 minutes more. You can see the oil has separated. You can see our oil. And there is no longer splashing like before. That means what we have here now is oil. See, the coconut oil is there. I'm okay with this. But if you want it a kind of brownier than this, you want that golden color, you can keep cooking it. You want to get golden color, you can keep cooking it, but you get less oil because the longer it cooks, the less oil you will get. So I don't want less oil. I'm going to take it out at this stage. So I'm going to sieve it at this stage. Let's go sieve it. I still cooked the chaff again, and there's still some oil coming out of it, so I'm still going to sieve out the oil. You can see all the plenty oil in it. So when this cools, I'll bottle it. In everything, all I got was half cup. This is my coconut oil. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Until I see you again in my next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.